quick video on this crucial 64 gig memory upgrade for my DeLL x17R2 laptop. This thing here. And this is just going to be a look at an unboxing of the memory that I obtained and that ended up working on the laptop. I know that this will work. DDR5. I'll be doing a video on installing the memory, but I want you to get a close-up look of the memory. And just in case you want to know, I'll be doing a video on installing it. This is just a look at and an unboxing. This is how it came from B&H. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Pictures and info to follow.
Crucial 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz SO-DIMM memory kit, 2x32GB, upgrade for Alienware x17R2. Alienware x17R2 17.3 inches UHD 120Hz gaming laptop, Intel Core i9 32GB memory, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3081TB SSD, Lunar Lite. Model AWX17R2-9318WHT-PUS 1221-2022. Cost $260.99. Purchased on B&H website. In the box. Crucial 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz SO-DIMM memory kit, 2x32GB. Limited lifetime warranty. Crucial DDR5 4800 MHz SO-DIMM overview. Upgrade the memory in your compatible system using the 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz SO-DIMM memory kit from Crucial. This memory kit features a capacity of 64GB, which comes in a configuration of 2x32GB, a clock speed of 4800 MHz, PC5-38400, a 262-pin SO-DIMM form factor, operates using 1.1V, and has a CL timing of 40. Adding more memory to your system will help boost its capabilities, including improving system performance and application responsiveness. Startup times will be improved with fewer delays during routine operations, and more programs will be able to run simultaneously with easier switching between them. This memory is protected by a limited lifetime warranty. UPC 649,528,906,564. Crucial DDR5 4800 MHz SO-DIMM specs. Capacity 64GB. Kit configuration 2x32GB. Speed PC5-38400, 4800 MHz. Memory type DDR5. DIMM type 262-pin SO-DIMM. Buffered registered no. Voltage 1.1V. CAS latency CL40. Heat spreader no. Packaging info. Package weight 0.05 pounds. Box dimensions, LXWXH, 4.25 x 3.5 x 0.15 inches. Crucial DDR5 laptop memory powers extreme on-the-go performance. Product image 042. Crucial DDR5 laptop memory kit. Empower your next generation, multi-core CPU on the go. Crucial DDR5 laptop memory has the high speed needed for the next generation of multi-core CPUs, but it's not just faster than DDR4, it's better one. Multitask seamlessly, load, analyze, edit, and render faster, all with higher frame rates, significantly less lag, and optimized power efficiency over the previous generation too. With crucial DDR5 laptop memory, your laptop 3 can harness blazing speeds that were once only possible with extreme performance memory 4. Speed. Up to 5600 MTS. Voltage. 1.1 volt. Technology. DDR5. Densities. 8, 16 and 32 gigabytes. Warranty to the power of 5. Limited lifetime. Form factor. SO-DIMM. 5200 MTS products and 8 GB 5600 MTS product will not be available until early 2023. Extreme performance right out of the box. Crucial DDR5 memory can transfer data up to 1.75 times faster and deliver up to 2 times more bandwidth than DDR4, resulting in shorter load times, file transfers, downloads, lag time and improved refresh rates. Performance is enhanced not just during testing, but in real-world conditions too. No latency downsides with DDR5. Crucial DDR5 system latency, measured in nanoseconds, is only up to 3% longer than DDR4 during testing 6, meaning real-world latency performances are virtually the same. With crucial DDR5 delivering up to 2 times more bandwidth, DDR4 is still outperformed. Optimized power efficiency. For improved efficiency and stability, crucial DDR5 introduces on-module voltage regulation with a power management integrated circuit, PMIC, which was on the motherboard with older memory technologies. This results in improved signaling and cleaner power regulation for the modules, SO-DIMMs, 7. Moreover, DDR5's on-module operating voltage is only 1.1 V compared to DDR4's 1.2 V. Micron registered quality, tested reliability you can trust. As the vertically integrated consumer brand of Micron, Crucial is trusted by millions for reliability, performance, and compatibility. Unlike module assemblers, our unique relationship with Micron involves a deeper level of engineering collaboration to squeeze every ounce of performance from our products without compromising reliability. With Micron's 43+ years of manufacturing excellence and Crucial's 25+ years of consumer product development, Crucial DDR5 is backed by our limited lifetime warranty 5 and delivers the powerful performance you can trust. When it comes to memory, don't settle for less. DDR5 architecture includes efficiency improvements that deliver 36% more system bandwidth than DDR4, even at the same theoretical speeds of 3200 MTS, due to the high bus efficiency of DDR5 technology. Combined with lower voltage per module, this design provides superior, better, performance. Under memory-intensive workloads, DDR5 can deliver up to 2 times the bandwidth, per an internal simulation of dual-ranked X8 modules in client platforms. Only with a DDR5-enabled CPU and motherboard. DDR5 desktop memory is not compatible with DDR4 motherboards. DDR5 launch speeds of 4800 MTS are comparable to extreme performance DDR4 memory speeds and are 1.5x faster than maximum standard DDR4 speeds of 3200 MTS. Limited lifetime warranty valid everywhere except Germany and France, where warranty is valid for 10 years from the date of purchase. compared to published DDR4-3200 speeds. DDR5 modules, DIMMs, introduce voltage regulation on the module through a power management integrated circuit, PMIC, which enables better power regulation and reduces the scope of DRAM power delivery network, PDN, management on the motherboard for increased efficiency. Powered by One World Sync Content Cast.